Hi, we'll explore the data cleaning process in the data analytic. Importance of data cleaning. We already discussed the raw data collected from the source may not be in the format of analysis. The common issue why it is not in the format of analysis is missing value. There could be a missing value and outliers, then duplicated values, or it could have noise value also, right? So this is the common issue why the raw data collected is not suitable for analysis. So before going to analysis process, we should rectify it. The techniques used for those process of data cleaning are commonly called as imputation. We can use different type of imputation methods. We are going to explore how transformation based imputation and normalization based imputation process, right? So before going to do imputation, we have to check whether missing values are present or not. So for that, R has inbuilt function is na, and also you can summarize or some non-available value. You can understand whether the data set is having na value or not using this command. Let us explore this command on iris dataset in our environment. So this is the dataset iris we are loading, and we can see the summarization. You can see this 0. That means the iris dataset doesn't have any NA value. That means the iris dataset doesn't have any NA value. Good, perfect. Even though it is not having NA value, the distribution value we want to change. For that, we can go for imputation and outlier reduction also we have to do. Let's see that process. So we have checked that there is no NA value for the iris dataset. Let us explore second issue of raw data, that is outlier. Already we have discussed outlier can be detected by using box plot or box and whisker plot. So here outlier could be available in the lowest end or top end after upper end of the whisker. Let us use this boxer plot or box plot to find the outliers in the dataset of iris in our environment. So this is the command used for plotting. We have to load the ggplot library. We'll do this. Yes. So we got the box plot now. You can see that the setosa variable doesn't have any outliers because you can see that. And similarly, the versicolor species of sapple length also doesn't have any outliers. But the Virginica species has some outlier values. We have to remove it. So this is how we will detect. For example, for Virginica species, the sepal length lesser than 5.7 all are removed because it is outlier for Virginica data type. This is how we will detect outlier, we will remove in the dataset.